everyone, so today I will be using only one eyeshadow palette to do my full face of makeup, and this is Beauty Berry Diamond Glow Makeup Kit. So at the very beginning, to get a chiseled look, I will be using this brown shade for powder contour, and look at this how pigmented this palette is. Next for blush, I am using this pink shimmery shade. The color payoff is too good of this palette, and look how flawless finish it has given. Next I am using these two shimmery shades for highlighting, and oh my god, just look at the glow. Now it's time for eye makeup, and for that firstly I am using this brown shade, then this magenta shimmery shade. Each and every color of this palette is very unique and highly pigmented, and here is the final eye look using this palette. Even we can use these shadows on our lips as well for such chrome effect. And guys, here's the final look using only one palette, and that's from Beauty Berry Diamond Glow. I am in love with this particular palette. Go and get yours today.